Some nice warm weather here across the Front Range today. Afternoon highs in the low 90s. So we'll have a nice mild evening through the next few hours. We'll be down to 87 by 7 o'clock. We'll have 79 by 9 o'clock and 75 degrees with clear skies by 11 o'clock tonight. Now we do have some cooler air moving in tomorrow. So instead of afternoon highs in the low to mid 90s, we'll hang on to the sunshine and we will see some cooler temperatures, but also a chance for rain into the afternoon. So we'll have 90s today, 80s tomorrow, with that afternoon rain showing up for especially the afternoon and evening as well. 93 was our high today here in Denver. We had 98 in Grand Junction and 97 in Pueblo. A warm day statewide, and our average afternoon high is 90 degrees, but the record is 105 set back in 2005, and we were nowhere near that today, thank goodness. Our satellite radar picture showing a flash flood warning in effect until 6:30 to the northeast of Pueblo. South of Burlington, we also have some strong thunderstorm activity. But here in Denver, it's been pretty quiet. We actually just have an air quality warning in effect until midnight tonight, and that's for high ozone levels. It's just very warm and the winds really aren't blowing too much, so we have to watch out for that. As for our satellite radar picture looking farther to the north, up toward Rockport, between Fort Collins and Cheyenne, we have some strong thunderstorm activity that has prompted a severe thunderstorm warning. One until 5:45 and one until 6 o'clock tonight. A lot of lightning involved with that storm as it moves on through. Temperatures tonight in the low 60s with partly cloudy skies. We'll have those low 60s from the Front Range across the eastern plains, and up in the mountains mostly 40s and 50s from Steamboat to Craig into Aspen and Gunnison at 45 degrees for tonight. Lows will be in the low 60s here around Denver with some 50s farther to the south around Parker and Castle Rock. Our out and about forecast keeping us in the 70s through noon. Then we'll be in the low to mid 80s for the early afternoon, and the highs tomorrow will top out at around 87 degrees for Denver. We'll have 80s across most of eastern Colorado with 90s for the southeastern part of the state, and still warm up in the high country, 80s and 90s tomorrow. But here in Denver, looks like we'll have a high of 87 degrees, 85 downtown, and 86 in Highlands Ranch. Our 7-day forecast keeping us in the low 90s as we head through the middle of the week, and the same for the end of the week with a few scattered thunderstorms showing up on Thursday and Friday. And we'll be right back after this commercial break.